everyone, today we're going to make a super yummy looking watermelon slime. We're starting off with a batch of clear slime I made about 10 days ago that's already cleared up. Next I add red gel food coloring to get the perfect juicy watermelon color. It took quite a bit of food coloring. Keep in mind that the more we mix and play with this clear slime, the more air bubbles it will get and the lighter the color. Before we mix this up, I'm adding fine silver glitter to give it some sparkle. I already love the way this looks, and you could stop here if you want. This would also be the perfect base to a cherry or strawberry slime. I added a little more food coloring because I wanted it to be a little darker, especially since I know it's going to lighten up the more we play with it. Next I add some black bingsu beads as the watermelon seeds. I also added some Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and this gave the slime some great bubble pops. When you first mix the dish soap in, it's very slimy feeling, but it only takes a few moments to get it incorporated and feeling right again. This slime has the best drizzles already. Again, you could stop here, but we're going to keep going. Next I add clear bingsu beads to make this a crunchy slime. I just love the way crunchy slimes feel, and they're so much fun to play with. The last thing I'm going to do is mix green gel food coloring into a small amount of clear slime. I'm going to add this to my red slime since watermelons are red inside and have a green rind on the outside. Keep in mind that once you mix the green and red slime together, your slime will no longer be red and will probably turn out brown like mine did. If you want to keep your juicy red color, skip adding the green. I added the two slimes to a clear container so that you can see the colors, and then had fun drizzling it and mixing it in. If you love how this slime turned out or decide to make your own watermelon slime, give us a thumbs up. To see more slime tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You can also find us on TikTok.